Well, y'all, always good to see you there, friends and family. We're here. It's late night, January 11th. And we were out, heading out into the big woods to get some goodies. But you'll be seeing that video tomorrow, thankfully. But on the way back, sort of kind of had just a small accident. Many of y'all know I use a GoPro Hero 7 White for my main camera. Yep, so you might wonder, well, what are we looking at? Well, we're looking at that right now. Yep. And I tripped and fell. I'm not hurt, but the GoPro didn't quite make the trip so well. Broke the door offside, sort of a little glitchy now, and all that. Well, I'm sort of kind of sad tonight. Not because the GoPro broke, well, yeah, I am about that too. Because that was my main camera, and I loved it. Even named it Shirley. But the reason I'm even more sad is my daughter gave me that for Christmas in 2018. She knew I was having camera problems with the Canon that she gave me several years prior to that. And that's where I started, or restarted, my channel again in about May of 2018. So yeah, both the cameras, where you've seen old Mr. Tom have been off of cameras that my daughter gave me. She loves her daddy, and I love her to death too. She wouldn't have to give me a thing. I'd still be so happy just to have her in my life. Of course, she is the mother of my grandson, Davey, too. In case all of y'all ain't wanted to know. But anyway, the old GoPro may be dead now. And I'm on the backup camera. It ain't nothing like a GoPro. It's a AC700 Victor. All the way. You know, imported. From China it is. And this is sort of a little test, just to see what type of video it puts out. So we'll be looking for a new camera. I thought, you know, since I got this one powered up tonight, and finally figured out how to work it. See, that's the whole thing with this modern day technology. You get used to something, and then it breaks, or, you know, they don't support it anymore or service it. You got to switch. Yeah, I resist change anymore. Hard for you to believe. Me being one of the most technologically advanced engineers all throughout my career. And I was all about technology. And incorporating that into manufacturing, processing, design, and engineering all my life. Since I retired, not so much. But anyway, just thought I'd come on real quickly tonight and share with you one of the events of the day. And just so I will be reminded the day the GoPro died, and they were singing my Miss American Pie. We drove the Chevy to the levee when the GoPro died. Or something like that. Anyway. Y'all, hope y'all are having a wonderful evening in your homes with your friends, family, and loved ones too, as I am here in the late night in the deep South of Bama with Gracie, Spooky, Cleo, Speedy, sometimes Elrod Magoo, and on occasion Mr. Gray and Heathcliff too. Y'all take care out there. Stay safe. And God bless each and every one of you. Till, unlike tonight, we see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.